Hey guys, how's it going? So real quick, I'm just gonna do a little unboxing here. Just picked up this set off of Amazon. Um, Looks good if you guys work on computers or any little small electronics or pretty much anything. Maybe even cars. This could be handy for you if you need to do some small work. So basically, I got this off Amazon. I paid $9.99 for it. This is what comes in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and just basically unbox it real quick, show you guys what it looks like in real time, and that'll be it. It's gonna be a quick video. And yeah, I'm still doing stuff one-handed. So I'm gonna let you guys know that if anyone's been watching and following, let you guys know that I am in the process of getting a camera stand so I can do better videos, better quality videos. Use both of my hands, so this way you guys can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. So look forward to that. So basically this is it. Pretty simple, nice looking box. Nothing, not too flashy. Again, this was 10 bucks. So you probably won't, you can't expect too fancy of a packaging. But basically this is everything you got in here. You got 6 pieces. And these are magnetic tip, which is why I got them. So let me be clear on that. I know I didn't mention that at the beginning of this video. These are magnetic tip, which is why I wanted them. Perfect for working on computers or any electronics. The screws that come with these devices are very small and they're easy to lose, so you definitely want to have some kind of magnetic tip to catch it, keep track of it. This way it doesn't fall and you lose it. So these are the sizes here. You got a flat. As you can see, the magnetic works very well. We got the plus, Phillips. Another flat, smaller flat. A little bit thinner and shorter. Then you got a skinnier Phillips, shorter and thinner, and then the same small flat, the smallest flat, and then the smallest Phillips. This is good for like a phone. Work if you do phone repair, something tiny like that. That would do the trick. Then you have all the sizes on there. And that's it. Nothing left in the box. Pretty straightforward unboxing here. Just to give you guys a video. I like showing you guys things that I buy, things that I think are of good value. And there you go. So I think for 10 bucks you can't go wrong. I will go ahead and leave a link for this product in the description below. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.